YouTube, what's going on? This is Ace Rollin. I haven't made a video in a long time, but I've got something to show you all right now. I got brand new wheels for Space Ghost. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them because I've shared them there already, but I haven't made a dedicated video. And I got the car out today, and as you can see, I'm social distancing. It's just me out here right now and Space Ghost. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around so you guys can see it. I hope you like it, and man, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Either way, I think they are beautiful. So without further ado, here's Space Ghost with her brand new shoes.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way, we tied it loose ends up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it.
Guys, so just to give you some information on these wheels, these are Ferrada FR1s. So in the back I'm running 20 by 11 and a half, which is a nice deep concave. You guys can see from right here. Here's a pretty good angle where you guys can see the concave on the wheels right here. And man, don't they look good? Oh wow, I was really going back and forth. Should I get the black? Should I get silver? But I always wanted bronze wheels. I've never had a car with bronze wheels before, and I've always wanted to do it. So I figured, you know what, why not? Let's just go ahead and go for it. So these are the front wheels right here, which are a little bit smaller, still 20-inch, but 10 and a half. So 20 by 10 and a half in the front, 20 by 11 and a half in the rear. And man, don't they look good. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Look at the stance on that. Oh man, look at that right there. So just a couple things, you know, with the car in the background, you guys can see. It's just a few things with the car right now. There's a couple things that I don't like that I'm going to be doing to the car very soon. As you guys know, I have BMR lowering springs on the car, which look pretty good, looks okay. No complaints, they ride great, everything like that. But in a second here, I'll show you guys what the kind of my issue is with the BMR springs. There's one other thing that I had to do with the car too. I kind of went round and round with lug nuts. Originally, when they installed these wheels, I had like, if I could get them in the shot here. Originally, when I had these wheels installed, I had chrome lug nuts. As you guys know, that just didn't look good. It didn't work, so I had to get black ones. So you'll see the black lug nuts on here now, which are fine. However, they're not quite long enough in the front, and I'll show you that too. But the first thing I want to show you guys is the issue that I have with the BMR springs. Now, as you guys can see right here, the car looks pretty good. It's nice and low, looks good. However, in the front it's okay. I mean, you got almost 2 fingers in the front right there. But here's my issue. In the rear of the car, I mean, I could clearly like stick 2 fingers in there right there. I want to get this body crushed down just a little bit more, and kind of even out and kind of even out the stance of the car. Don't get me wrong, the BMR springs are great, they look great, but I just want to go a little bit lower, and I also want to get an improvement on the handling of this car too. So you guys will probably know where I'm going with this. The next mod for this car, and I've already ordered them, and they're held up because of COVID-19 shipping. We're gonna go ahead and install some coilovers on this car right here. We're gonna get Petters coilovers. I went back and forth. Should I get BC Racing? Should I get Petters? Should I get KW? Should I get a bunch of other ones too? You know, Teams. I don't know what Teams. I had Teams before on my other car, Lawrence Springs, but they did not work good at all. And I probably need to do a video on that to show y'all, man. Okay, that's a whole nother story. But anyhow, so I'm revealing today the new wheels for the car. I hope you guys dig it, because I most certainly do. I actually love them. I was, man, really, it took a lot of guts for me to pull this color off, but I think against the white, the bronze against the white really works well. And it's different. As you guys know, I'm different. My car is very different with the wrap on the top and everything. So I just want to stand out from the crowd and just be me. And my car is me. I love art. I love things that are abstract and somewhat different. And my car is the same way I am, which is how it should be. If you're new to the channel, I am Ace Rollin, and this is Space Ghost. So, man, I have tons of videos, but I have videos of me doing all kinds of mods to this car or whatever. But if you guys are interested in watching those videos, please feel free to do it. I really appreciate it. It helps me and it helps out the channel. But anyhow, I'm not gonna ramble. I just want to show you guys the wheels. I'm Ace Rollin, and I'm rolling out.